Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm sharing with you some cleaning motivation. I am doing my daily tasks for the most part. These are some tasks that I do every single day, and then just a few tasks that I had to do today because they were overlooked this week. I am starting in the bedroom, and I'm going to start by making my bed. Because it just makes me feel so much better if my bed is all nice and made. I feel like the whole day goes so much better if my bed is made. I think it's like a mindset thing, but it definitely helps you feel more productive. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. And my toddler was at nursery this morning, so that's why he's not around. And I find nursery mornings really great for getting cleaning done and like work tasks done that I don't usually get a chance to do when he's around. So I'm feeling the productivity kick today. I'm filming this on a Monday morning. How are you guys today? Let me know if your little ones have started nursery or school, if you have children, or let me know what you are up to this week. Are you back to work? Are you still working from home? I would love to have a chat with you in the comments. But regardless of what you're up to, I hope you have a great week ahead. Now that my bed is made, I'm going to go ahead and freshen it up. I'm using this Febreze Freshen. I think it's like refresh for your fabrics. First, I'm going to use this on the bed and just kind of spray it a bit to make it all nice and fresh in between bed sheet wash day. And then next, I'm going to start by folding up some laundry. I've had these clothes in this basket since last night, and I was way too exhausted last night to do this, so I just postponed it until this morning. So I'm going to start folding everything and putting things back in the wardrobes. I've got to say, folding up laundry is one of my least favorite tasks, like chores to do around the home. I despise it for some reason. I just don't like doing it. Same with ironing. I don't really iron clothes very often. If my mom is watching this, she's probably cringing. but yeah, let me know what your least favorite chore to do is around the home. I'm really curious to know.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without
This is my makeup dressing table / office. This is where I sometimes sit to work, film my voiceovers. That's where I'm filming this voiceover right now. So I'm going to start by spraying the windowsill, just because it's a bit higher up and all of the dust from it will fall onto my desk. So I'm going to start doing that first, and then using a Method surface spray. This is in Wild Rhubarb scent. I really love that scent. And then I'm going to use the Method glass spray on my dressing table, just because it's got a glass top. So the Method glass spray works really well on that. And I'm also doing the dresser here on the side, the one with the drawers.
I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this.
I've got this slanted mirror right here, which I sometimes use for taking outfit pictures, and this gets so dusty because it is slanted, so it kind of catches the dust on it. So I'm going to give it a quick spray with my Method spray. This is again the glass one. I think this is in the peppermint scent, and it smells so lovely and so fresh. And I'm also going to use that on the wardrobe, because we've got mirrored wardrobes, so I'm going to spray those as well to make them nice and shiny again.
I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. baby, without. I wouldn't know what to.
The last task in this bedroom is vacuuming, so I'm going to give it a quick hoover around just to make sure all the dust is off the floors.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole.
Moving on to my toddler's bedroom, the first thing that I'm going to do in here is make his bed, and then I'm also going to tidy up all of these toys that are on the floor. And I'm also going to spray down the surfaces in here, make sure they're dust free, especially the dresser and just like the units that he has in here.
Where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I'll run away, hit the road and almost late, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang.
Upstairs is all done for the day, so next up I'm going to go in the kitchen and take out the laundry because I had put on a load this morning, so it was all nice and clean. And today it actually feels like it's a bit of summer again. We are having 28 degrees Celsius, so I'm going to take advantage of that and hang my laundry on the line outside, which I love to do. I just feel like they smell fresher when I do that. Does it make sense? I'm not sure if it's just in my head or not, but I just feel like they're so much fresher when I hang dry them outside. So I'm going to do that, and I actually find this too satisfying. I think it kind of makes me feel like a proper housewife when I do this. I don't know why. I guess I never had a line outside before, and now that we live in a house, we do, and it's just, you know, it's exciting. You know, you're getting old when you start getting excited about things like that. Back in the kitchen, I am going to start by tackling the dining table. So I'm going to take everything from it just to clear it out, and then I'm going to give it a good spray with my Method surface spray. And I absolutely love the sunshine in here in the morning. It just makes me so happy.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real.
I am then going to start clearing the surfaces in the kitchen, like the countertop, but my dishwasher was actually full because I ran it last night and I didn't empty it this morning, so I'm going to do that now. I'm going to empty it of all the dishes, and then I'm going to load it up again with the ones that, as you can see, are taking over the kitchen.
I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around. and my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody.
And then I'm going to spray the surfaces in here, make sure they're nice and clean and disinfected. So I'm going to use the Method anti-bac spray just to kind of give it a good wipe.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing.
The living room is full of toys. What else is new? So I'm going to start tidying up, although I know when my toddler gets back from nursery he's just gonna take a lot of things out again, but that's just mom life for you. So I'm going to start tidying up all his toys so that I can vacuum in here as well.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
I'm also tidying up this throw and just fluffing up the cushions a bit, just to kind of straighten up the sofa.
You are, you are, you are, you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution.
And I love when the floor is all clear of toys. It's not very often, but it makes the whole room look so much nicer. So yeah, after all the toys are cleared off the floor, I'm going to hoover in here as well.
You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are.
And that's pretty much it for this clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you stick around and subscribe if you liked this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!